Recently we have done a review on the OnePlus Type-C Bullet earphones, and at that time I promised you that I will do a comparison video with a similar priced 3.5mm earphone. Well, in this video we will be comparing the OnePlus Type-C earphone with this Samsung 3.5 earphone, which were the same price of 1500 INR. And trust me guys, OnePlus does not even come close to the Samsungs. So you wanna know why? Let's find out. So I'm your host vmsulthan and let's make this happen. The unboxing is completely different with both the earphones. For the OnePlus, you get nicely packed box with minimal design and placement. Well, it includes the Type-C earphone with a manual and a total of 3 pairs of earbuds. And I have to say that the earphone is not at all on a comfort side. It's just a regularly shaped rubber bud. Whereas the Samsung earphones box is with a regular style packaging, and there have no any aesthetic to it. But it comes with the earphone itself as well as a total of 4 pairs of earbuds, including a pair with wingtip buds, that which makes it perfect for any situation. Simply it won't fall off easily. They also has provided with this special shape for earbuds, which keeps the comfort for a long time. And hence that point table might be like this. For the unboxing experience, it is a win for OnePlus. But on the comfort side, Samsung simply is the winner. Both the earphone build well with flat type wires, that which helps to reduce tangling. Also for both the earpiece and the volume rocker with the mic is all are made of good quality plastic. But I personally think that the build quality of Samsung is much better because of some reason. Firstly, the wire just feels like rubber, which is coated for sure, but it just feels like a more durable wire. That of course can resist a hard stretch. Because I have been using this earphone for more than about 1 year. And still it does work well without any complaint. Secondly, see the hard rubber coating around the wire on each joint, that which ensure to resist some bends while using it for jogging or while traveling, which simply does not bring to the Type-C earphone by OnePlus. Yeah, it does have a little bit, but it doesn't keep the quality that the Samsung provided. Hence, it's a +1 for Samsung earphone. Here is where we find a drastic difference. The audio quality on OnePlus is on a bit softer side. Firstly, the bass is not at all punchy. Secondly, the treble are on a softer side as well. Hence, overall, listening music with this is not at the price what we pay for it. The OnePlus really should have to work more over the audio quality coming out of these earphones. Whereas on the other hand, the audio quality generated from this earphone is just amazing, where you can clearly recognize each bit of sound that gets produced. You feels like you are in that scene where you are able to hear every bit of little sound on a 3D environment, which of course can only experience on some best movies with amazing sound designs. Anyway, without any doubt, this Samsung earphone beat OnePlus on audio quality as well. And that's a 1+ for Samsung. I mean 1 point plus. Anyway guys, I have already covered the review of both earphones on my channel before. So just check them out if you wanna know more details on these earphones. You can find the link in the I button above or below the description as well. That's been it guys for today. Like the video if it helped, or else just dislike it. And while being there, subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified of every video I release. Just share this video and also follow me on Twitter and Instagram at vmsulthan for some updates and sneak peeks on my channel. Anyway, till next time, stay connected and be ready for a new content. Have a great day, my dear friends.